Hi there. Today I'm really excited to show you a GEEKOM A8 AMD Ryzen mini PC. That's right, a mini PC, and it's from GEEKOM. GEEKOM has been around for over 25 years doing really awesome stuff. And this box here, this is literally the mini PC. Now, you might think to yourself, how can you get a full-featured computer for under $1,000 that does all sorts of great stuff? And not only that, in today's world with an interest in AI, an AI powered PC as well. And so that's it. This is the GEEKOM A8, and I'm going to unwrap it in front of you for the very first time. So it comes with this nice plastic sealing. Just while I'm doing this, so the GEEKOM A8, as you can guess, is an AMD powered mini PC. GEEKOM also make Intel based devices, but I'm really excited by the A8 because it comes in Ryzen 9 and Ryzen 7 models with the AMD neural processing unit built in. It also includes an AMD Radeon 780M graphics card, so it can, not only can it run Office apps, but certainly it can run games to high def. It can drive multiple monitors. It includes dual channel DDR5 RAM, up to 64 gigabytes of RAM supported. It comes with an M2 2280 PCIe Gen4 SSD and can support up to 2 terabytes. It includes Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. So this is no, you might look at this and think, wow, how powerful can a mini PC be? But this really is a beast. The only thing it doesn't offer over a bigger desktop is simply the huger chassis size, which allows you to then put in, much more multiple discs, large, huge video cards, big power supplies, things like that. But for a lot of workloads, this really is a lot of PC. And we can see that it's, so I've already mentioned, it has Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2. You can see it's got a micro SD slot. We have fast modern USB ports. You can plug in external storage, all sorts of things. We've got a headphone jack, nice metallic design and vents. And here you can see as well, we've got extra expansion, and that includes a 2.5 gigabits Ethernet card. We've got USB slots, we've got USB-A, we've got HDMI, we have the power plug, and so on. So this really is a pretty remarkable PC, and it's easy to service as well. I don't know how clearly you can see it, but we can see the little screw holes, we can see the little feet, you can see a little arrow telling you how to slide the case off. So it is designed to be opened as well. If you take the little feet off, there'll be some screw holes. We can then slide the cover off and replace the RAM, add SSD, all sorts of great stuff. So let's see how it goes. I've opened it. We're going to fire this up, but really excited. The GEEKOM A8. So not only is this going to be a great Windows 11 machine in general, it will absolutely fly with Windows 11. It'll do your Office apps for sure, but also some pretty good gaming, but particularly interested as well in the AI features that the latest generation of AMD Ryzen processors offer. So this is a GEEKOM A8, and yeah, a lot of PC for a little PC.